After launching various visual and performance-focused Gazoo racing models, Toyota has introduced the Corolla Cross GR Sport, which recently made its debut in Taiwan and Japan. The GR Sport is more focused on visual tweaks, but for the Corolla Cross, the engineers have also made changes to the suspension and updated the steering response to give the vehicle a sportier feel. In terms of styling, the new Toyota Corolla Cross GR Sport gets a unique front fascia. It comes with a different bumper design with a striking underguard. The fog lamps have been moved up and are enclosed in blacked out trim. The mesh design is also added to the lower intake, which is also applied on the main grille. It gets an additional black garnish as well as thick bar that runs across the width. The Corolla Cross GR Sport comes with redesigned rocker panels and a rear underguard that looks rugged. Dual-tone paint scheme is also on offer. There's a GR badge on the tailgate. Inside the cabin, the crossover has a dedicated boot screen for the 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, an engine start button with GR lettering, and seats with GR embossed on the headrests. The Corolla Cross GR Sport is available with a naturally aspirated 1.8-litre gasoline engine yielding 138 horsepower, 103 kilowatt and 127 pound-feet, 172 Newton meters of torque. The power goes to the front wheels via a continuously variable transmission. Environment-conscious individuals can have it with a hybrid powertrain generating 122 horsepower, powering the front wheels through a CVT. Of note, the new JDM Corolla Cross is accessible in hybrid plus all-wheel drive flavor. The Corolla Cross GR Sport will come to other markets later on. In Taiwan, it is priced from $31,600 at existing exchange rates, while the hybrid goes for $34,100.